In this video, we will discuss a powerful and profitable 1-minute scalping strategy. Hello everyone, welcome to Forex Strategy Explorer. Besides being suitable for 1-minute scalping, you can also use this strategy with the buy-sell indicator for 5-minute scalping and 15-minute scalping. In this example, we will show you how to use this trading strategy for 1-minute Forex scalping. However, apart from being used for Forex scalping, you can also apply this scalping strategy to other assets such as gold or XAU/USD, crypto, or others. Make sure to stay with this video until the end. And don't forget to support this channel by pressing the like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. To use this 1-minute scalping strategy, you can start by accessing Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type TMA Overlay. Next, select the TMA Overlay indicator by RTFSC. After that, adjust the settings for the TMA Overlay indicator. In the Input tab, uncheck all options and leave only Show Bearish 3-Line Strike and Show Bullish 3-Line Strike checked. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck all options except for 3-Line Strike Up and 3-Line Strike Down. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The TMA Overlay indicator will serve as a guide for placing orders in the market. If a green triangle appears, it is a buy signal. Conversely, if a red triangle appears, it is a sell signal. Now, add the second indicator, which will serve as a trend guide as well as a guide for placing stop losses in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type SSL Hybrid. Next, select the SSL Hybrid indicator by Mikkel. Then, adjust the settings for the SSL Hybrid indicator. In the Input tab, change the ATR multi-value to 2. Then, change the SSL1 baseline type to DEMA. After that, set the baseline length to 100. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck all options except for MA baseline and ATR. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The SSL Hybrid indicator will act as a trend guide and a guide for placing stop losses in the market. If the SSL Hybrid line is navy, it indicates a bullish trend. In this case, you should only look for the best points to place buy orders. Meanwhile, if the SSL Hybrid line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this case, you should only look for the best points to place sell orders. To achieve the best results, add one more indicator that will serve as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Historical Percentile SMA. Next, select the Historical Percentile SMA indicator by cheat country. As you can see, we will use the Historical Percentile SMA indicator as a signal filter in the market. To use it, simply pay attention to the color of the candlesticks that appear. If the candlestick color is green, it indicates a bullish confirmation. If the candlestick color is red, it indicates a bearish confirmation. If the candlestick color is black, it means there is no dominant confirmation in the market. In this case, you are advised not to place any orders in the market. To make it clearer, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the TMA Overlay indicator gives a buy signal, you must confirm the signal first before placing a buy order. Ensure the Historical Percentile SMA indicator confirms a bullish trend, or the candlestick formed is green. Ensure the SSL Hybrid line is navy. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the lower end of the ATR line. Set the take profit target using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the TMA Overlay indicator gives a sell signal, you must confirm the signal first before placing a sell order. Ensure the Historical Percentile SMA indicator confirms a bearish trend, or the candlestick formed is red. Ensure the SSL Hybrid line is red. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the upper end of the ATR line. Set the take profit target using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.